Imagine with me that you wake up in the morning and you feel your stomach grumble. You rush downstairs and you open up your fridge to make a beautiful breakfast, but much to your surprise, it's empty. You rush around to your cabinets and to your pantry, and sadly, they have fallen to the same fate. They are also empty. Now, imagine with me for a second that you are someone that has to go through this scenario every single day due to poverty, a natural disaster, or homelessness. Statistics show that this is a sad reality for more than 690 million people around the globe. And as world hunger is again an issue that is on the rise, more than 8.9% of the population of the globe goes to bed hungry each night. According to actionagainsthunger.org, there is more than enough food produced in the world to feed each individual, but sadly, a lot of it goes to waste. Fortunately, there are organizations like Convoy of Hope that are working hard to fight against world hunger and provide for those in need. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is Convoy of Hope? Convoy of Hope is a nonprofit organization that works passionately to feed the hungry through children's feeding initiatives, community outreaches, and disaster response. This organization was founded by the Donaldson family after they tragically lost their father, Harold Donaldson, when he was hit and killed by a drunk driver back in 1969. They have been working hard with churches, government organizations, businesses, families, and other nonprofits to help provide food and hope for those in need since 1994. Since the founding, they have been able to help upwards of 130 million people. Convoy of Hope has been able to provide help in many natural disasters such as Hurricane Katrina, Hurricane Sandy, Tropical Storm Charlie, and so many more. They're able to respond to these natural disasters with things like food, water, shelter, medical supplies, and so much more. The way they help those in need is really where the passion that Convoy of Hope has for people shows the most. Convoy of Hope has a number of ways that they are able to help those in need around the globe. They are able to provide food for hungry children, provide community events for families where they're able to receive the help that they need, and they provide disaster relief programs both domestically and internationally. One of the main ways that Convoy of Hope strives to help people is by providing food for the hungry in their time of need. Convoy of Hope states that feeding children nutritious meals opens up doors to provide them and their families with education, clean water, job and agricultural training, a sense of hope, and so much more. They do this by providing meals and clean drinking water with the help of donations received from businesses and families that want to make a difference. As of the end of 2019, Convoy of Hope was working hard to provide consistent meals for children in over 18 countries around the globe. Convoy of Hope also helps those in need through community outreaches, in which they partner with different churches and organizations to provide hubs for families in need. With these community outreaches, they're able to provide families with groceries, medical services, job opportunities, a hot meal, a kid zone where kids can play and have fun outside of their normal school and home time, and so much more. Convoy states that communities are the lifeblood of counties, states, and nations. They're able to host over 104 community events in the year of 2019, and they had roughly 30,000 volunteers who were ready to serve and make an impact in their own personal community. The thing that Convoy of Hope might be possibly best known for, however, is their disaster relief programs. Convoy has worked hard to consistently be one of the first responders in each disaster that happens throughout the globe. Since 1994, they have responded to over 400 international and domestic disasters and provided over 11 million pounds of relief supplies. With help of their 8 international warehouses and 4 domestic warehouses, they're able to equip volunteers with food, clean water, medical supplies, and shelters for those who are in need due to the tragic events that happened during these national disasters. Convoy of Hope would not be where it was without the help of families and individuals that it has had over the past 26 years. Because of the funds and partnership that has been provided over the years, Convoy of Hope has been able to touch the lives of many individuals. Each time a donation is made, an impact on an individual's or family's life happens that can be truly life-altering and can change the path of anyone. It takes only $124 for Convoy of Hope to provide a child with consistent meals that are nutritious throughout an entire school year. That's only a little over $10 a month. Today, I implore you to please consider making a donation for Convoy of Hope to help spread hope to those around the globe. You can personally take the steps today to make an impact in the life of a child in need or an individual in need by going to Convoy of Hope's website, convoyofhope.org, and clicking the Donate Now button. You can donate any amount that you see fit, and you can even set up monthly installments. Convoy of Hope would not be able to reach people in the way that they do without the help of people like you and me. Any donation made today can help change the life of someone tomorrow. Thank you.